Hey guys, sorry for yet another very long break. There's a lot of stuff going on. There'll be another video explaining everything else. Just wanted to do a quick demonstration. Because it's YouTube, it's dangerous, don't try this at home, blah blah. I saw this post on 9gag, I don't know, some days ago, last week, 2 weeks ago, can't remember. It was about a vending machine, something about not spewing out the right product, and one of the people who commented said he would have just cut off the power cable or something. And then, you know, I really admire that there are places in this world where the authorities, the government really somewhat cares about people getting electrocuted or getting in danger anyway, with codes and regulations and health and safety and all that. But it's not okay when it starts to get crazy, like it was just a waterfall of comments of how incredibly stupid and incredibly dangerous it is. And I really feel that people nowadays have absolutely no idea what world they live in anymore. I mean, yeah, you take live wires and stick it into your mouth, that's gonna be a problem, but you know, getting a piece of insulated pliers like these and cutting a live wire is barely any action at all. So let's just stop talking, and this is a live wire. See, it actually has live ends, and I'm just gonna cut it. That was it. That was all. I'm still fine. I'm not even sure if the power tripped. Let's check. It should have. Yep. And the breaker goes down. Oh, let me just make sure I unplug it so it doesn't spark anymore. Breaker up. That was it. What else are you expecting from this? What do you think can happen? A nuclear explosion or what? There's no fire, there's no smoke, there's no electrocution, there's nothing. A very disappointing pop, and the breaker trips. That's all. That's all that happens if you're cutting a live wire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.